Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on Valentino's Donna Born in Roma. And I have the 1 fluid ounce bottle of this perfume. And today I filmed 2 reviews. So my last review that I filmed was on the YSL Libre, the original one, and the Intense, and I wasn't a fan of the original one and I've had it for a while, so I am selling that one. I am going to be on like a fail rant type of thing today because this one is kind of a fail for me as well, but I did want to review it before I sell it, so that is why I am doing both of those videos today so that I can put them up on my Mercari. As much as I wanted to love this fragrance, I cannot get with it. I've tried it probably on 3 occasions and I cannot wear this perfume. And the reason why I wanted to talk about it is because I have read so many reviews about it. I've gone on YouTube to look for reviews and I have not heard one person, I think only one review, experienced the same thing as me. So I just find it very weird because I guess the problem is my nose. It's not, you know, the perfume itself. So I'm not putting the perfume, like, I'm not making it look bad. I'm not saying it's a bad perfume because a lot of people love this fragrance. So I'm going to be reading the main accords for this perfume. The main accords for this perfume are woody, vanilla, fruity, soft, spicy, powdery, floral, white floral, musky, green, and sweet. And the top notes are blackcurrant, pink pepper, bergamot. Middle notes are jasmine sambac, jasmine, and jasmine tea. And then the base notes are bourbon, vanilla, cashmere, and I really can't say that. It's guaiac wood, but you guys can see it up on the screen. But this fragrance opens up, and from the first blast, the first sniff that I get, there is something in here that makes me want to cough. It's a weird reaction to a perfume. I feel like I want to cough. I feel like the back of my throat is just like tingling, and it triggers my asthma. I feel like I outgrew my asthma. I haven't had asthma in a really long time, but when I spray this perfume, I get that feeling of like, I feel like I'm suffocating. And it's the weirdest sensation that I've had with a perfume, and that's why I wanted to talk about it, to see if there was anyone else that felt that. I don't think it's the pink pepper because one of my favorite perfumes from when I was younger was Gucci Guilty, and I still enjoy that perfume, and that perfume has pink pepper in it. And I have a lot of fragrances with pink pepper and I don't get that. So I don't know if it's the jasmine tea note or the wood note, but I cannot wear this. I wore it the other day and I can't get past that. And the sad part is that the actual scent of the perfume is gorgeous. It's such like a pretty girl with an edge, but then towards the end of it, like towards the end of me smelling it, is where I get that spiciness and that note that just doesn't sit well with my throat, with my breathing. I don't know what it is, but it smells so good though. Like if I could find this fragrance without that spiciness to it, like that woodiness that it has, it would be such a beautiful perfume. And I do see that people say that it's woody, so I'm thinking that it has to be the wood that's bothering me, but I don't know. I am going to be putting this up on my Mercari as soon as I'm done with this video, but I did want to talk to you guys about it. So when I first spray it in the opening, I do get the bergamot, pink pepper, the blackcurrant. It's beautiful, but it's very strong. It's a very strong perfume, and I also smell the jasmine. So I feel like from the opening, it's a very strong and sharp perfume, and I did get a headache the last time that I wore this. I went out with my husband and my father-in-law that day, and I just kept smelling this and I just felt sick. As it starts to dry down, I do start getting the bourbon vanilla, which makes it a little bit more tolerable, but that spiciness does not leave through the entire life of this fragrance. So every time that I would smell my wrist, it was there and I just couldn't enjoy it. This is definitely a warm and spicy fragrance, and I also think that this would do better in cold weather, so maybe that's why I can't enjoy it right now. Like I always tell you guys, I am living in Puerto Rico at the moment, and for the next 2 years I will be here until we get assigned somewhere else. My husband is in the military, so this is where we're at right now, and I feel like this fragrance just doesn't work here. But somewhere cold it would probably be beautiful. This fragrance did last 5 to 6 hours on me, so unfortunately I just couldn't get with Valentino Donna Born in Roma. I am going to be selling this one, and that is going to be it for today's review. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you subscribed. I would love it if you commented down below. I am starting to get a few more comments, so I am having so much fun with my videos and talking to you guys about fragrances. So if anyone uses this, if anyone loves this, I am not putting the fragrance down. I feel like it's a beautiful scent. It's just that it has that spiciness towards the end that I can't get past, and I wish that I could, because it's such a beautiful fragrance. Like it's blended really nice. So I'm not putting it down at all. I'm just gonna have to sell it because it's just a fail for me personally. I would love to hear if you have had the same experience or if you love it. That is going to be it for today's video. I will see you guys on the